Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to write a makeup artist job application letter step by step. If you're passionate about makeup but unsure how to put your skills and experience into professional writing, this video will walk you through exactly what to say, why each part matters, and how to sound confident without sounding overwhelming. Let's start with a quick definition. A makeup artist job application letter is a formal letter sent to a beauty studio, salon, or creative business to apply for a makeup artist position. This letter introduces who you are, explains your makeup experience, highlights your technical and creative skills, and shows why you're a good fit for that specific studio. Because makeup is both a technical and client-focused profession, this letter must balance professionalism, creativity, and trust. Now let's go through the letter from top to bottom. We begin with the sender's information. This section includes your full name, address, email, and phone number. When writing this part, keep everything neat and professional. Avoid casual email addresses and always use contact details you check regularly. This section is important because it allows the hiring manager to contact you easily if they're interested in your application. It also shows that you understand formal business letter structure. Here's how it appears in the sample letter. Vanessa J. Cole, 2279 Silverleaf Court, Burbank, CA 91505. Email: vanessa.cole@email.com. Phone: 818-592-8046. Next comes the date. Always include the full date to show that your application is current. This tells the employer that your interest in the position is recent and genuine. In this letter, the date is written as date, March 20th, 2026. After that, we include the recipient's information. This tells the employer who the letter is addressed to and which business it's intended for. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, writing hiring manager is completely professional. This section shows that your letter is specifically written for this studio, not copied and sent everywhere. Here's the sample recipient section. Hiring manager: Lux Glow Beauty Studio, 1348 West Magnolia Boulevard, Burbank, CA 91506. Now we move to the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter in one short sentence. This helps the hiring manager immediately understand why you're writing. In this example, the subject line is Subject: Application for Makeup Artist Position. Next is the salutation, which should always be polite and professional. If you don't know the person's name, Dear Hiring Manager is the safest and most appropriate choice. Here is the salutation used in the letter: Dear Hiring Manager. Now, let's move into the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. This paragraph explains which position you're applying for and briefly summarizes your experience and passion for makeup artistry. When writing this paragraph, clearly mention your training, experience, and what you enjoy most about makeup. This is your first impression, so it should be confident and enthusiastic without being too long. This paragraph is important because it sets the tone for the entire letter and tells the employer why they should keep reading. Here is the full sample introduction paragraph. I am writing to apply for the makeup artist position at Lux Glow Beauty Studio. I am a professionally trained makeup artist with experience providing makeup services for special events, photo shoots, and client consultations, and I am passionate about enhancing natural beauty while meeting each client's unique style and preferences. Next is the second main paragraph, where you explain your practical experience and technical skills. This is one of the most important parts of the letter. When writing this paragraph, describe what you do in your current or previous role. Mention specific services such as client consultations, different makeup styles, skincare preparation, and hygiene practices. These details help employers trust your abilities and professionalism. This paragraph is important because beauty studios want artists who are skilled, organized, and serious about cleanliness and client safety. Here is the full sample paragraph. In my current role as a freelance makeup artist, I work closely with clients to create customized looks for weddings, formal events, and studio sessions. I am skilled in skincare preparation, color matching, and applying a wide range of makeup styles, from natural and editorial looks to full glam. I consistently maintain clean tools and follow strict hygiene standards. Now we move to the third main paragraph, which focuses on why you want to work for this specific studio and highlights your personal qualities. When writing this paragraph, show that you admire the studio's reputation or values. Then connect those values to your own strengths, such as reliability, attention to detail, teamwork, and professionalism. This paragraph is important because employers want artists who fit their brand and can work well with clients and other professionals. Here is the full sample paragraph. I am particularly impressed by Luxe Glow Beauty Studio's reputation for creativity and personalized service. I am detail-oriented, reliable, and comfortable working in fast-paced environments while maintaining a calm and professional approach with clients. I also enjoy collaborating with stylists and photographers to achieve cohesive results. Next comes the closing paragraph, where you express interest in an interview and invite the employer to contact you. When writing this paragraph, keep your tone polite, confident, and open. You don't need to beg or oversell yourself. Just show that you're ready for the next step. This paragraph is important because it clearly signals that you are serious about the position and eager to discuss your application further. Here is the full sample closing paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and artistic approach can contribute to your team. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Now we end the letter with a formal closing and signature. Always use a respectful closing, such as "Sincerely," followed by your name. Here's how it appears in the letter. Sincerely, signature, Vanessa J. Cole. Before we wrap up, here are some overall tips and reminders when writing a makeup artist job application letter. Always highlight both creativity and professionalism. Mention hygiene and cleanliness, because those are extremely important in the beauty industry. Be specific about your skills, but keep your letter clear and easy to read. Proofread carefully to avoid spelling mistakes, and make sure the studio's name is spelled correctly. A well-written letter can make a strong impression even before your portfolio is reviewed. And that's it. That's how you write a makeup artist job application letter that is professional, confident, and client-focused. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.